Good morning, students. Next topic digestion and absorption, and next topic gastric glands. Next topic gastric glands. Gastric glands. So the gastric glands. First one, the gastric glands are location. The gastric glands are located in the wall of the stomach. Wall of the stomach. Gastric glands are located from the wall of the stomach, the below the layer of the epithelium. Below the layer of epithelium. The gastric glands are located from the wall of the stomach. The gastric glands are located from the wall of the stomach. Based on the location, the gastric glands, based on the location, these are the three types. Based on location. Based on location, these are the three types. Based on location, these are the three types. Gastric glands are based on location, three types. Three types. Based on the location, these are the three types. The stomach contains three regions. First one, cardiac region. First one, cardiac region. So the cardiac region, so they are called the cardiac glands. Second one, fundic region, so they are called the fundic glands. Third one, pyloric region, so this gland is called the pyloric glands. The gastric glands are the based on the location three types: cardiac, fundic and pyloric glands. Cardiac glands, fundic glands and pyloric glands. First one, the cardiac glands. First one, cardiac glands. So the cardiac glands, they secretion from the mucus. Cardiac glands secretion from the mucus for the protection. The cardiac gland secretion from the mucus function for the protection of the stomach. Second one, fundic glands. The fundic glands contain three types of the cells. The fundic gland contain three types of the cells. First one, mucous neck cells. Mucous neck cells. Second one, sheath cells. Sheath cells. Third one, oxyntic cells. Oxyntic cells. The fundic glands, they are the three types of the cells. Three types of cells. First one is the mucous neck cells. Second one is the sheath cells. Third one is the oxyntic cells. First one, the mucous neck cells. Mucous neck cells. The mucous neck cells secretion from the mucus. Mucous neck cells secretion from the mucus. Next one, sheath cells. The sheath cells secretion of the proenzymes. Secretion of the proenzymes. Secretion of the proenzymes. Pepsinogen and prorenin. Pepsinogen and prorenin. They are the sheath cell secretion from the proenzymes. Pepsinogen and prorenin. Next one, oxyntic cells. So the oxyntic cells, these are secretion from the hydrochloric acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid. Next one, they are secretion from the Castle's intrinsic factor. They are releasing from the Castle's intrinsic factor. So these are the gastric glands. Once revise, the gastric glands are the located from the wall of the stomach. Wall of the stomach. Next one, the based on the location, gastric glands are the three types. Based on location, the gastric glands are the three types. First one, cardioid glands. First one is the cardioid glands. The cardioid glands. Second one is the fundic glands. Second one, fundic glands. Third one, pyloric glands. Third one, pyloric glands. First one, cardioid glands. The cardioid glands are presenting from the secretion from the mucus. Secretion from the mucus. They are from the protection. Second one, fundic glands. The fundic glands are the three types of the cells. The fundic glands contain three types of the cells. First one, mucous neck cells. First one, mucous neck cells. These are secretion from the mucus. Secretion from the mucus. Second one, sheep cells. Second one, sheep cells. The sheep cells functioning is the production from the proenzymes. Production from the proenzymes, pepsinogen and prorenin. Third one is the oxyntic cells. Third one is the oxyntic cells. So the oxyntic cells functioning is the production of the hydrochloric acid and Castle's intrinsic factor. Next, third type is the pyloric glands. Third type is the pyloric glands. The pyloric glands, the secretion from the mucus. Third type is the secretion from the mucus. So these are the gastric glands. So the entire these glands secretion, the juice is called the gastric juice. Gastric juice. The juice is called the gastric juice. The gastric juice pH. The gastric juice pH is the 0.9 to 1.8. The pH is the 0.9 to 1.8. So these are the gastric glands. The next topic, intestinal glands. Next topic, intestinal glands. Next one, intestinal glands. Intestinal glands. So the next one is the intestinal glands. The intestinal glands are the two types. Intestinal glands are the two types. First one, Brunner's glands. Brunner's glands. Second one, Cripps-of-Lubercan. Cripps-of-Lubercan. So the intestinal glands are the two types. One is the Brunner's glands, second one Cripps-of-Lubercan. So the Brunner glands are location. The Brunner glands are location from the submucosa. Submucosa of duodenum. The Brunner's glands are located from the submucosa of duodenum. Second one, Cripps-of-Lubercan. Cripps-of-Lubercan. So these are presenting on the mucosa of small intestine. They are located from the mucosa of small intestine. They are located from the mucosa of small intestine. Brunner's glands location from the submucosa of duodenum. Cripps-of-Lubercan is location from the mucosa of small intestine. These two gland secretions is called the intestinal juice. Intestinal juice. These two gland secretion is called the intestinal juice. This is also called the succus entericus. It is also called as succus entericus. Succus entericus. Next one, these are presenting on the digesting enzymes. They are presenting on the three types of the digesting enzymes. First one, carbohydrate digesting enzymes. Carbohydrate digesting enzymes. Carbohydrate digesting enzymes. Second one, protein enzymes, protein digesting enzymes. Third one, nucleic acid digesting enzymes. The intestinal juice contain a digesting enzymes, carbohydrate digesting enzymes, protein digesting enzymes, and nucleic acid digesting enzymes. The first one, carbohydrate digesting enzymes are the maltase, sucrase, and lipase. Maltase, sucrase, and lipase. Protein digesting enzymes are the aminopeptidase, tripeptidase, and dipeptidase. Aminopeptidase, tripeptidase, and dipeptidase. Next one, nucleic acid digesting enzymes, nucleosidase, and nucleosidase and nucleotidase. Nucleosidase and nucleotidase. So these are the intestinal glands. Once revise, intestinal glands are the two types. One is the Brunner's glands, second one is the Krebs-Lewerkan. Second one, Krebs-Lewerkan. So the Brunner's glands are located from the submucosa of duodenum. Located from the submucosa of duodenum. The Krebs-Lewerkan, they are located from the mucosa of small intestine. Mucosa of small intestine. These two glands, these Brunner glands and Krebs-Lewerkan, these two glands secretions is called the intestinal juice. It is called the intestinal juice. The intestinal juice is also called as the succus entericus. The intestinal juice is also called as the succus entericus. Next one, the succus entericus or intestinal juice contain a digesting enzymes. First one, carbohydrate digesting enzymes, protein digesting enzymes, and nucleic acid digesting enzymes. First one, carbohydrate digesting enzymes are the maltase, sucrase, and lipase. Maltase, sucrase, lipase. Next one, protein digesting enzymes are the aminopeptidase, tripeptidase, and dipeptidase. Next one, nucleic acid digesting enzymes, nucleotidase and nucleosidase. Nucleotidase and nucleosidase. So these are the intestinal glands. That juice is called the intestinal juice. The pH is the 7.5 to 8.0. 7.5 to 8.0 pH. The pH is the 7.5 to 8.0. So these are the intestinal glands. The next topic continue to the liver and pancreas.